Question number 16. Okay. Arvind travels from town A to town B and Surbi from town B to town A, both starting at the same time. So it is a question from TSD. Arvind travels from town A to town B and Surbi travels from town B to town A, both starting at the same time along the same route. After meeting each other, Arvind takes 6 hours to reach town B, while Surbi takes 24 hours to reach town A. Arvind traveled at a speed of Arvind is 54 kilometer per hour. Then the distance we have to find. Okay. They both met at some point. Let's say it is C. After meeting, Arvind took 6 hours to complete this distance, and Surbi took 24 hours to cover this distance. Okay. For such questions, we have one formula, which is speed of A upon speed of B is equal to under root time of B upon time of A. If we got a time of cross distance, then we use this. It will be equal to under root 24 by 6. It will be equal to 4 by 1. Under root 4, it will be 2. So now we got the ratio of speed of Arvind and speed of Surbhi. It is 2 is to 1. Speed of Arvind is 54, then speed of Surbhi will be 27. They have asked for the distance. So let's find this distance first. So Arvind covered this distance in 6 hours. So the distance BC is equals to 324, and distance AC covered by Surbhi in 24 hours. So it will be 27 into 24, 540 plus it will be 8, 4, 648. So the total distance AB is equals to 972. If we, I'll tell you another method. If we can't remember this formula, then we would have solved it like we would have taken this distance as y and this distance as x. So speed of A initially when he covered x distance, let's say he covered it in t hours, and Surbhi covered y distance in t hours, and in the second part it is given that Arvind covered y distance in 6 hours and Surbhi covered x distance in 24 hours. These two values are equal. From here we will get x upon y is equals to t by 6, and from here we get x upon y is equals to 24 by t. So These two values will be equal. T by 6 is equals to 24 by T. It will be T square is equals to 144. Then T will be equals to 12. Time will of course be positive value, then it will be 12. So by using this value of T, we could have solved this question. Let's move to the next question.